Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This is Kawasaki's entry-level sport bike. Has a 249cc, 2-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike is a clean title California bike. Has 31,949 miles on the odometer. Bike is in really good shape, just serviced, new tire on the front, has the Yoshimura carbon fiber aftermarket exhaust, like new tire on the rear. These bikes are very lightweight, low seat height, manageable power, make for a really good bike around town, make for a really good first sport bike. This 2009 Ninja 250 is a great deal at only $19.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.